तो जुपिटर 13 महीना रहता है ना?
जुपिटर केम इन ऑन 2nd of June in Cancer एंड अक्टूबर में कोई पॉइंट तक है. दिस इज राइट नाउ लाइक जुपिटर इज एक्सॉल्टिंग एंड एक्सॉल्टिंग.
बट इट केम इन कैंसर, तो मेरे साथ क्या होगा? यू नो माई चार्ट, सो
आई एम सिटिंग हियर विथ यू. यही मैजिकल है.
थैंक यू सो मच, आई वांट दैट.
सो शेयर मार्केट एंड म्यूचुअल फंड के कारक जो है वो जुपिटर नहीं होते हैं. They are more dependent on Shukra and Rahu. If you take a crystal and you hold it in the palm of your hand, cover it with your other hand, put in it the manifestation or the wish you want to do, and you put it in your home or in your office, in your environment.
But every day you have to do this?
No, you do it once, believe the wish, it will happen.
Wow, you know what a such a good cause you're creating for your life. जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, हम तो चले जाएंगे लेकिन हमारे गुड डीड्स याद रहेंगे.
गुड डीड्स याद रहे.
So you adding in people's life and you're giving them
Yes.
wisdom. One spiritual book everyone should read.
Bhagavad Gita.
Hi, I'm Deepshika and everybody interviews me. लेकिन आज मुझे चांस मिला है कि मैं मेरे दोस्त को इंटरव्यू करूं जो पता नहीं क्या क्या करती है. एनर्जी हीलिंग, फेंग शुई, वास्तु, वैदिक वास्तु. So let me introduce you to Meenakshi Agrawal. Hi Meenakshi.
Hi Deepshika. So I am Meenakshi Agrawal and I am the founder of the Meenakshi method. और मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज मैं बैठी हूँ. साथ में मैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी भी करती हूँ, स्पिरिचुअलिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करती हूँ. आई बिलीव यू आर ऑल्सो वेरी स्पिरिचुअल दीपशिका. पीपल नो यू एज अ एक्ट्रेस, एज अ वेल नोन एक्ट्रेस, एज अ हाउस होल्ड नेम. लेकिन ये तो आपका न्यू साइड है. वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट टुडे.
Nobody knows this by the way, it's a secret, but because we talk same language, इसलिए शायद हम अच्छा करेंगे.
So today what we will be doing, it's not going to be like a serious interview. It is just a conversation between two powerful, gifted, spiritual and talented women.
Absolutely right, absolutely. Meenakshi, before I start, I've heard this something, you have this Meenakshi method. What is Meenakshi method?
So Deepshika, I have spent the past 2 decades or more of my life studying Vastu, Feng Shui, astrology, Chinese astrology, divination, all the healing modalities. अपने हिंदू धर्म में, अपने स्पिरिचुअलिटी में, मंत्रों में मेरे को बहुत विश्वास है. Now we cannot ever treat them as separate sciences, compartmentalize them. I believe in this and I don't believe in that. Always the beauty is that you mix and match, amalgamate all these methodologies, all these sciences, and which is what I have done, and created a way in which to live life that is full of energy for your, and which energizes your horoscope, your destiny, your home, your office, your any space that you occupy.
Yeah, I just want to ask you something. It's my personal question. People say Vastu is separate and Feng Shui is separate. Feng Shui में कुछ और बोलते हैं, वास्तु में कुछ और बोलते हैं. So, what to believe?
So क्या हो गया? आप वास्तु भी करो, आप साथ में Feng Shui भी करो. That is where an urban energy architect like me comes in. कि I know the Chinese science of Feng Shui and I am Indian.
वो दोनों contradict तो नहीं करते ना?
नहीं, दोनों contradict नहीं करते. They are like cousins. They flow in symphony.
हाँ, okay. No, I also believe. I believe in this. मैं मेरे घर में सब कुछ करती हूँ because I also believe in energy. Like you know, little bit of science. I've studied lockdown में मैंने astrology किया just for my curiosity. Vastu I think, but you know, like half knowledge is always bad. So I don't tell people that I'm an expert. Yes, I have knowledge about it. You people are expert. And
I have done a master's in it.
Yeah, that's why I said you people are expert. You can say I am not expert. I am just I know about it. That's it. You know?
It's also good just to know about it.
Yeah.
So now you know we can have a very fruitful discussion.
Yeah. So when you're talking, at least मुझे पता है कि आप क्या बात कर रहे हो. If you're talking North East, South East, W1 ये सब, तो I know what you're talking about.
सबसे fascinating तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी की स्टडी होती है.
I love astrology.
हाँ, and spirituality. That when God talks to you and when the higher forces talk to you, then everything just flows.
But how you got this awakening and why you doing this? मतलब what happened?
So I realized one thing, observation. कि in the same building, we all live in Bombay, in the same building, in same side of apartments, similar lifestyles with similar budgets people have bought. कोई की जिंदगी थ्राइव कर रही है और कोई नहीं थ्राइव कर रहा है, कोई स्ट्रगल कर रहा है, कोई प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है by leaps and bounds. So I realized one thing कि what is it? Same building, similar businesses, why this person is always struggling and why this person's life is flowing. So it made me very curious and I started to study more and more, read more and more, observe and understand more and more, and I realized that there is also something called energy. It's not just your door and window and kitchen, वो तो है ही ज़रूरी, लेकिन उसके बाद इन सबको लिंक कैसे करने का, कैसे एक माला पिरोते हैं ना मोतियों की, like that, how to link it. So that is how I got fascinated and I started to study feng shui. Then one thing led to another.
Wow, you're blessed. ये सब
Thank you.
सबके बस की बात नहीं होती है.
True. It found me.
Yeah.
It really found me. I did not find
Yeah,
it.
they say like that.
Yes,
Like
yes.
it's a God way of, you're like kind of a messenger to heal people and all. And I was just thinking कि astrology में अभी ये सब change हुआ है, कुछ Jupiter change हुआ है and then Venus change हुआ है. I only know one thing because it came in Cancer and Leo. तो मुझे I just want to know that.
So, Deepshika, you know what? Jupiter, as we all know, is the planet of abundance, of expansion. It is one of the naturally benefic planets. And after 37 years, it has got exalted. So, when Jupiter is in Cancer, in exaltation, it is generally very powerful. It is generally very beneficial for the world, even for our country, India. बहुत सारी चीजें जो रुकी हुई थी लोगों की, you will find कि जुपिटर कहीं ना कहीं लोगों के चार्ट्स को अफेक्ट करता ही है, normally in a positive way, though we cannot make a generalization. And वो एक एक मैटर को जो है ना, वो सेटल कर देता है. As a matter of fact, I've seen in the past 2 weeks itself, since Jupiter went into exaltation, कि number of my friends' children have got engaged. क्योंकि जुपिटर मैरिज का भी कारक होता है.
वो मुझे पता है. जुपिटर जब भी जिसके चार्ट में आता है शादी होती है.
So lot of children who were 29, 30, 31, parents had been worried. उन सब की अभी सगाइयां हो गई.
But it came in Cancer. तो मेरे साथ क्या होगा? You know my chart. So tell me what happened to me.
So Deepshika, I know that you are Cancer. Your
Kark Lagna.
Kark Lagna.
Yeah.
Yes, and Jupiter is your ascendant lord.
Yes.
So it is going to be a very, very beneficial time for you. You have been always a very strong lady, but you had been facing stress of another level recently. Yes. And finally, वो stress का time जो है ना, एक respite दे रहा है आपको.
कब देगा?
Because Jupiter, अरे it has started. July से चालू हो गया आपका.
13 month रहता है ना? 13 महीना रहेगा ना?
नहीं, Jupiter is in Cancer for 4 to 5 months. From 2nd of June to a date in October.
Okay. So इधर October तक
का time जो है ना, yes, definitely magic will happen. I am sitting here with you. यही magical है.
Thank you so much. I want that. So
and what you will notice in this time, you will become more spiritual than you are also.
तो ये जुपिटर 13 महीना रहता है ना?
Jupiter came in on 2nd of June in Cancer and October में कोई point तक है. So 4 to 5 months. And this is right now like Jupiter is exalting and exalting. And you will see in your chart that suddenly all the stress that you had been feeling, the outcomes you had not been getting, things will start to roll for you.
Thank you, because I don't know what, it's just a stagnant pause button हो जाता ना.
हाँ.
My life has become pause button, and which I'm not used to it. I'm a very workaholic person. 30 years I'm been working.
हाँ.
अभी suddenly ऐसे, of course it's a nice phase. You enjoying your house. I'm cooking. You know, I'm just spending time with my daughter. But कितना, you know?
You want, yeah, you're a career girl.
I am, yeah.
So you will find more traveling opportunities.
Okay.
All the spirituality that you have been doing, वो एक बैंक के जैसे आपके पास जमा हो रहा है. Suddenly वो सब चीज का अभी रिजल्ट मिलेगा.
Thank God magic is going to happen.
100%, 100%.
Of course you are here.
और जो भी पूजा पाठ करी, जो भी स्पिरिचुअलिटी करी, जो भी मेडिटेशन करा, उसका भी इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट मिलेगा. So this is a time when you will find, and that is why I am also here for you. You will find that you will start to, life will start to move in the right direction, career will start to move in the right direction. As a matter of fact, I can give a small tip for people who will work with you.
Okay.
Because you are in a very lucky phase, even they will be very lucky.
सुन रहे हो कि नहीं सब लोग? Okay, for me तो it's fine, but what about the world? ये जो war चल रही है, economy is going up and down, गुरु इसको Jupiter इसको affect करेगा?
So we realized that last month Jupiter and Venus साथ में आए थे sky में. We could actually see it in the evening in the Bombay sky, and that is the time when all these treaties and all got signed, and war sort of paused. So I have lot of hope for the world. Jupiter is like a guardian angel, like a guru. सद्बुद्धि देता है, विजडम देता है, थोड़ा थॉट प्रोसेस देता है, अच्छी चीजों को बढ़ाता है, गलत चीजों को थोड़ा रोकथाम करता है. So I am very hopeful that things will happen, but I should give a caution कि in this period from mid-July, Jupiter is getting very close to the sun and it goes combust for about a month, for about 3 to 4 weeks. So this is a period when Jupiter goes combust. There are, astrologers vary on this, but मेरा एक personal feeling है कि उसका उतना power और say, even though he is an exaltation, उतना ज़्यादा power नहीं बचेगा. So this is a period to watch out for a little bit.
Okay. Even the economy, like share market and mutual fund, everything is just going down.
So share market and mutual fund के कारक जो है वो जुपिटर नहीं होते हैं. They are more dependent on शुक्र and राहु.
तो शुक्र also changed अभी ना 2 दिन पहले कहीं तो भी कुछ तो भी.
वो तो ये सारे change होते रहते हैं, but currently the hero of the season is Jupiter. हाँ.
It's good for me.
It is good for you. It is good for you.
Good.
So tell me one thing, Deepshika, that you have suddenly become so spiritual, or has it been happening gradually?
See, now you know the astrology. Like my mom used to believe in a lot of astrology, and then she used to tell me, "Abhi mat shaadi kar, abhi mat shaadi kar, 3 साल के बाद कर." But that age you don't listen. And I said, "Oh, my mom is telling. अभी मम्मी ने बोला तो मैं और करूँगी." But now I know that was my Ketu dasha. Then my Shukra dasha came, and 20 years Shukra dasha comes. My Chandra, I'm a mean Rashi, and I'm Chandra. Chandra is my lord. My Chandra dasha started. So I'm always very spiritual person. मतलब मुझे, and I am very socialized person, but I'm a loner in the sense मैं अपने में खुश रहती हूँ कि मुझे
राशि वाले ऐसे होते हैं. They're very sensitive.
मैं ज़्यादा
very
किसी की लाइफ
sensible.
में इंटरफेयर नहीं करती, ना मुझे पसंद आता कोई मुझे इंटरफेयर करेगा. So what is next? And I'm a workaholic. तो I go to like सदगुरु आश्रम चली गई, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग कर लिया, बहुत सारी चीजें.
Very good. I'll tell you, this is the right stage of life. कि you should go towards spirituality and go back to your roots, because इससे क्या होता है, अपना soul भी तो evolve होएगा.
And I've studied in a boarding, आर्य विद्या मंदिर बड़ौदा. There we used to do Vedic मंत्रोच्चार. हम लोग खुद ही हवन करते थे.
Wow, Deepshika, nobody must be knowing this side of you.
I'm a topper in Sanskrit, so I can read, write, speak Sanskrit. So हम लोग हवन करते थे. तो वो कब से, वो बचपन से वो संस्कार है. प्लस मेरा बेटा तो मजाक करता है कि मेरी माँ को जंगल में भेज दोगे ना, वो वहां पे भी मंदिर ढूंढ लेगी. Wherever I go for travel, whether I go Bali, I go anywhere, I find इधर आसपास में मंदिर कौन सा है.
And that is why ना, हाँ, God is always close to you. मालूम है ना, गुरु के, बृहस्पति के देवता जो है विष्णु भगवान होते हैं.
Yeah, so
especially for you right now, if you chant विष्णु सहस्त्र नाम और listen to it, या वो छोटे वाले मंत्र बॉक्सेस आते हैं, उनको थोड़ा सा अपने घर में विष्णु सहस्त्र नाम डेली चलाया ना, तो एकदम एक्टिवेशन ऑफ योर असेंडेंट लॉर्ड हो जाएगा.
वाओ, I'll do that पक्का. मैं तो बिलीव करती हूँ. मेरे घर में गणेश जी 25 साल से आते हैं.
हाँ.
आई डू महाशिवरात्रि में, मतलब आप name it with my mom used to do it. We are family who are believing God. We are not, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये नहीं करो तो ये हो जाएगा, but we believe in मंत्रोच्चारण, we believe in
हमारे
वैदिक
गॉड्स तो
शास्त्र.
बहुत काइंड होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन ऐसा करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी
अच्छी
चीजें
क्या
होंगी.
क्या है. तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि जब मैं शूट नहीं करती हूँ, मैं जिम जाती हूँ, तो मैं स्पिरिचुअल शॉपिंग करती हूँ. अगर किसी ने बोल दिया कि ये जगह अच्छी है, लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर, आई विल गो एंड डू दिस थिंग. This Guruji is good. I respect all the Guruji. All I go to Dargah, I go to Gurudwara, I go everywhere. मतलब मुझे सच्ची कहाँ से I get blessing.
Yes, good energy and good blessings.
Then I did access consciousness with my
हाँ.
guru Ashish. I did shamanism. I've learned tarot. I love intuitive. Then lockdown में मैं बैठ के मेरे बच्चों के और मेरे चार्ट स्टडी करती थी कि ऐसा क्यों. So when sometime me and my daughter in arguments, I keep quiet के इसका राहु स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, आई बेटर कीप क्वाइट बिकॉज़ उसको तो समझ नहीं.
Now you should call me.
And now
So I will tell. I said कि मम्मी तो jack of all trades है. I am master of many.
नहीं, you.
So I should now guide you for your horoscope and
I'm sure.
take it
Thank you so
forward.
much. I will call you. बस कर अभी मत फोन कर. Because I believe कि suddenly ये क्यों हो रहा है भाई, मुझे पता है ये मेरा.
So मैंने क्या नोटिस करा है कि जैसे मैं किसी के घर में एंटर करती हूँ, द हाउस टॉक्स, द हाउस टेल्स कि यहाँ पे ये चल रहा है इनके साथ, इनके पास में अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रही हैं लेकिन शायद जा रही है, इनके पास में धन की वर्षा हो रही है, इनको जो है सब कुछ ठीक है बट हेल्थ नहीं ठीक रह रहा है. सो एस्ट्रोलॉजी उसके साथ टाई अप हो जाती है. स्पिरिचुअलिटी मीन्स कि बहुत सारी चीजें हम घर में तोड़ नहीं सकते. हम या तो कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रख के ठीक करें, या हम अपने मंत्रों की शक्ति से कोई मंत्र बजा के ठीक करें, या अपने घर में यदि हमने कुछ होस्ट करा भजन सत्संग, तो उससे जो है पूरा घर की एनर्जी लाइट हो जाती है एंड वी कलेक्ट गुड कर्मा.
So what do you feel about my house?
We will do Meenakshification right now, then you will come to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I believe in this. And why not के इंसान का समय जब अच्छा आता है या जो भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, थोड़ा आप रेक्टिफिकेशन करो, थोड़ी ऐड करो चीजें. बुरा टाइम होगा तो आपको ताकत मिलेगी फेस करने के लिए, अच्छा टाइम होगा तो उसको पुश मिलेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई
आगे बढ़ने
के लिए.
Yes, yes.
So what else? Tell me, what do you want to share? What is your speciality? And you can't name कि तुमने कितने लोगों का घर के. I'm sure all celebrities,
Yes,
everybody
yes,
must have come
yes,
to you.
yes.
And
So I have helped politicians, I have helped businessmen. सबसे फेवरेट तो मैं फैक्ट्रीज को टर्न अराउंड कर देती हूँ,
okay.
पर्सनल लाइफ्स को. Now I have become very very focused on Gen Z. I want that all our children should carry forward the legacy of these powerful sciences and use them, not get into mental health problems, not get into any confusion, but actually use astrology, spirituality in a modern new age way.
Yeah.
उस हिसाब से I have made one in tathastuworld.com and its Insta page to guide the youngsters, to help them to take right decisions, to help them to get the power to achieve their dreams.
But I'll tell you, the Gen Z
हाँ.
are so lucky because of the Instagram and social media. जब हम छोटे थे, अगर नहीं समझ में आता था,
हमको कोई guidance नहीं था. Yes, yes.
आप किसी एक को पूछोगे, you don't trust that person. कैसा लगता है ये मुझे झूठ बोल रही है. But because of people like you who are coming out and supporting, and there's a reels and everything, they can just search and they can find कि ये सच है, ये गलत है.
So on my Insta page of Tathastu World, I am already starting to put up small advice कि how you can do a ritual, how we can help you to do it, which crystal can you keep.
Yeah, you were telling me something कि आपने अपने वेबसाइट पे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें बनाई, like if I tell my daughter to wear this stone and she doesn't want to wear, then what can they do?
She can have a bag hanger with it, she can have a mobile hanger with it,
but वो
she can have a keep 100%. वो एनर्जी तो उसको बिलोंग कर गई. जो the energy that will boost her energy, that is like you have to keep it with you. So if you realize कि जो पुराने ज़माने में अपने बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजा होते थे, they had jewels, they had gold, they had all these kind of big castles. अब modern life में where a child is running around, उसका backpack, उसका rucksack, उसका purse, people who are working, their office desk, that is very important.
Yeah, we
राइट?
can do it.
और सब लोग
Shooting में-
लाखों रुपया थोड़ी खर्ची कर सकते हैं कि मैं जाके ओरिजिनल डायमंड लेके आऊंगा, ओरिजिनल पुखराज लेके आऊंगा. सो दिस इज वेयर द वर्ल्ड ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स कम्स इन, एंड दे आर वेरी पावरफुल, एंड वी कैन कीप लार्ज साइज क्रिस्टल्स. हम डायमंड रखेंगे तो हम इतना सा रखेंगे, हम क्रिस्टल रखेंगे तो हम इतना सा रखेंगे,
भैया
बड़ा सा रख सकते हैं.
कि जेंजी बच्चे
हाँ.
बेचारे कहाँ से खरीदने जाएंगे
हाँ,
सारी चीजें.
सो इसको जो है आपने अपने साथ में रखा और वो एनर्जाइज रहा पर्सनली फॉर यू एंड फॉर योर ड्रीम्स एंड गोल्स इन लाइफ, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई कॉल्ड इट तथास्तु वर्ल्ड. It is a world where your wish can come true.
Yes,
We can,
तथास्तु.
yes, like तथास्तु, टीवी सीरियल में बोलते थे ना.
नहीं,
God
it's a
सब-
संस्कृत
yes,
word, तथास्तु
yes.
मतलब your wish is my command. आप जो सोचोगे वो हो जाएगा.
So we will want to take them on that journey, and in a truthful way, in an authentic way.
हाँ.
नहीं तो अभी अपने क्या चीज को ट्रस्ट करें इंटरनेट पे. फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं तो अवेलेबल हूँ टू माई पर्सनल क्लाइंट्स, बट आई वॉन्ट टू टेक इट टू एवरी हाउस होल्ड, टू एवरी यंग पर्सन मेकिंग देयर करियर, बिल्डिंग देयर फैमिली, बाइंग देयर फर्स्ट होम, एंड मेड very very good intellectual intelligent knowledge available to them.
Wow, you know what a such a good cause you're creating for your life. जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, हम तो you are saying कि हम तो चले जाएंगे लेकिन हमारे good deeds याद
हमारे
रहेंगे.
good deeds याद रहे.
So you adding in people's life and you're giving them
Yes.
wisdom.
So a website looks commercial on the face of it. You will think कि मीनाक्षी तो तुम वेबसाइट बना रही हो, बिजनेस रन कर रही हो, but my business has got a service mindset. My business is a service to every child, because every child is somebody's child and their parents worry for them.
Yeah.
And all the youngsters now, there's such a generation gap that they don't want to listen to their parents, their grandparents, because they cannot fathom, they
Yeah.
cannot run their life like that. They cannot go to the mandir every day, they cannot go to feed the cow every day, they cannot wear a lot of rings and pendants, they will not want to look old fashioned, and that is only fair, right? So what the Tathastu world will help them to be is to get the right advice. The consultations are being handled personally under my supervision from very good people. These consults are coming. It will help them to get a wearable कि आप इस चीज को पहन लो, but it is very modern, it's very new age, और आप खुद नहीं पहन सको तो अपने बैग को पहना दो. और they can get a keepable कि आपको ऐसा कोई क्रिस्टल मिल जाए या ऐसा कोई सामान मिल जाए कि उसको आप अपनी टेबल पे रख दो, अपनी कबर्ड में रख दो, अपने वॉलेट में रख लो, अपने पर्स में रख लो, अपने बैग में रख लो. You know, so you keep on getting energy. It becomes like every time you touch that thing, you get energy from it.
Your family also takes your advice. Your
My
children.
family loves my advice.
Wow.
Yes.
So मतलब
My own son is Gen Z,
हाँ.
and he does believe in me, and he's one of my biggest fans.
That's so nice. आजकल के बच्चे, जेंजी बच्चे तो माँ बाप में सुनते ही नहीं. If they don't listen to you, they're lost, you know, actually.
Yeah, but I think I differ from you in this, Deepshika. I feel आजकल के बच्चे, they want to make up their own mind. It's not that they don't want to listen, but they have so much more exposure that they are able to judge better what they want to believe and what they don't want to believe.
I know.
So once the truth resonates with them and they believe in education, all of them are highly educated now. They believe in common sense, they believe in logic. So once it makes sense to them, they will do it.
It's correct. हम बेचारे को जेंजी को blame करते रहते हैं. They don't listen, they don't listen.
They don't listen.
Nice. So I will do some nice rapid round with you.
Yes, done.
What is your morning ritual?
Gratitude before the phone. I wake up and I just thank God for my husband, for my son, for the life he's given me, and I ask Ganesh ji, Krishna ji to give me a great day ahead.
Wow. What is your favorite manifestation quote?
I don't look for opportunities. Opportunities look for me.
Wow, this is too good. What is your powerful manifestation tool?
Crystals.
Wow.
Always crystals. If you take a crystal and you hold it in the palm of your hand and you cover it with your other hand and put in it the manifestation or the wish you want to do, and you put it in your home or in your office, in your environment. So the combination of crystal and environment.
But every day you have to do this.
No, you do it once you leave the wish, it will happen.
I'm going to do this. One Feng Shui or Vastu mistake which everybody does it in their house.
Their main door.
Huh.
So without fail, I've seen that people do not take care of their main doors. There are shoes, they are a bit cluttered. So a cluttered main door is the biggest mistake.
So वो बाहर जूते निकालते हैं, अंदर जूते पहन के नहीं आना चाहिए ना घर में.
It's your personal belief. मेरे घर में तो नहीं allowed है जूते पहन के आना.
हाँ, वो सब बाहर निकालते हैं. Okay. One habit that blocks abundance.
Complaining and cribbing.
No, you should always gratitude.
Then you are always manifesting more complaints and more cribs.
Yes, I also believe in this. One spiritual book everyone should read.
Bhagavad Gita, Ramayan. I mean to say, ultimately, हम लोग सारी न्यू एज बुक्स, एल्केमिस्ट, एलिफ शफाक, खालिल गिब्रान सब पढ़ लेते हैं, but nothing like our roots.
Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana, okay. And one message you want to tell all the viewers, what should they do and what should not they not?
I want to tell everyone that believe in yourself, believe in magic, and just go out there and find it. Don't wait for it to come to you. Just go out there and find the magic.
Wow. Magic, I believe in magic. My life is full of magic, so I believe this
I
is
too.
it.
I
Yes.
always tell my clients, I'm giving you a wishing wand. Ask for 3 wishes, and I will try my level best to make them come true.
Thank you. When I told you my 3 wishes, you better make them come true. So you're like my genie, you know.
So we will do Minakshification after this.
Yeah. What was, you have so much experience about your spiritual journey, Vastu, Feng Shui. Share now one spiritual journey or awakening or something that it shift your all your life.
I am today very honestly, Deepshika. It is not something I would share with everyone, but you are a friend and you know my life. So my older son passed away in 2018.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know this.
And I think people told me that you are being very strong. But it was not strength. It was the fact that Krishna's grace found me. And at that time, I felt that Krishna ji himself spoke the Bhagavad Gita in my ears. And he held my hand and he held me for that 1 month, 2 months after that, and even forever after that. The fact that God spoke to me was the deepest spiritual experience I have ever had. And that is what probably shaped me. And it created my sixth sense, my intuition just grew with leaps and bounds after that. So whether my son's blessings and along with God's blessings, that is also one of the reasons why I want to help all the Gen Z.
Oh my God, that's so sad. I'm so sorry. And
No,
I think a
no.
heavy price you pay to become so powerfully awaken and help people.
It's
like
we have to accept, जैसे रात और दिन होते हैं ना, we have to accept God's will come what may. That is the
know.
most powerful lesson I got. But now I want to know about your deepest spiritual experience.
See, I'll tell you, as I said, my parents, my mom was more a spiritual person. हमारे घर में पूजा पाठ सब होता था. I always had this question, you know, बचपन से, मतलब what is my purpose? What is my thing? जैसे होता ना, छोटे थे तो मम्मी ने बोल दिया ये कर दो, डैडी ने बोला ये कर दो. My life is, I never planned. I was just going with the, वो दरिया नदी में जाते ना, चला जाता.
You're going with the flow.
We're going with the flow, and I'm like,
With the current.
yeah. Like, but what am I doing? And when I was small, when they used to ask, when my first movie released, and the press asked me, आप क्या बनना चाहती हो? So I used to always say, you know, I want to become a very good human being. और सब हंसते थे मेरे पे. I didn't know why I used to say this. Achha, what do you mean by you want to become a good human being? I said,
You are a good human being, Deepshika.
imagine when I was 18, 19, I'm talking like this. There's no social message, no social media was there. So somewhere I also feel that something I want to do it for my people what I've learned in my life, I want to give back. And once I did a shamanism, I told you, with Ashish, and lockdown था, तो उसमें ड्रमिंग होता था, एंड देन देयर वाज अ आउट ऑफ बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस. तो मैं अकेली उस लॉकडाउन में क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, तो आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग, आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू हिज थिंग, एंड आई वाज सिटिंग एंड आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ इमोशनल ट्रॉमा, me being single mother, handling my children. I lost my parents so young. No support, no emotional support. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो आदमी टूटता है. Yes, I'm very
Correct.
strong, but अंदर से तो ऐसे हिल जाता है, you're very vulnerable. So I was just sitting alone. बच्चे बढ़ जाते अपने अपने रूम में, and I in my bedroom I sitting. So I see my soul is sitting in the सामने वाला chair. अब मुझे लगा पिक्चर चल रहा है, it is just my imagination, and my soul is there sitting. I'm very low, and बच्चे लोग के जैसे वो ऐसे पॉइंट वाले souls होते हैं ना, not the soul, only face and tail.
Yeah,
only
yeah,
face
yeah,
and
yeah,
tail.
yeah, yeah.
So many बच्चे लोग का face and tail comes and they were hugging me. Don't worry, it is fine. It's going to be fine. And I'm watching myself and I'm crying and I'm seeing crying. And I'm like, okay, this is it. अच्छा चलो ये picture ही सही. And when the drum stopped, I I felt like ढप करके नीचे, और मैं एकदम से उठी तो मैं ना गिर गई. I got very scared कि क्या हो गया. And then I called Ashish. What did this happen? What did this happen?
Right,
You
because
see, I was out of body. My soul was
yes,
out of my body.
what an experience, Deepshika.
And
What an
it
experience.
takes time to come inside. After that, now I don't get scared of anything. I'm like, this is ये जो तुम्हारी life की journey है. You have to just keep doing your karma. Good time, bad time, high time, low time. It's just a phase. It just go. And I became a very different person. So that's my very beautiful experience I had. I am not
Lovely.
scared. It's nothing to lose,
Lovely. So let's end today's session
Yeah.
with a Gayatri mantra.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
fine.
we can both chant it together.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
Thank you. ये मैंने मेरे
Thank
बच्चों
you.
को बचपन से सिखाया है. And they all
Fabulous.
sing this, and there's always Gayatri Mantra going in my house.
And I would implore every parent listening to us to do the same with their children.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Deepshika.